this full tutorial and demo of Sellerboard. We're going to go through everything on this in under 10 minutes so that you have a full in-depth understanding of how Sellerboard works. And I've been using this software for many years now in my business. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first thing you'll notice on this demo account that I've got for you today is the tiles at the top here. You can see today, yesterday, month to date, this month forecast, and last month. Now, as you'll notice down here, it says more, and you can actually click into this. So the first thing you'll notice is you can click into this and you can look further into the profit. So let's say you look on this yesterday, for example, and you click more and you wonder why your profit's a little bit too low. You can have a little look on the Amazon fees, and you can have a little look here and understand that it's got all these extra costs here. So you can come in here and say, oh, why is my profit low? Oh, perhaps it's the shipping costs. And you can check your shipping costs, and you can see that we've spent £62 on the FBM shipping costs. So you can look down all of these tiles in all of this order down here and see in detail what costs exactly Amazon are charging you. Include advertising here, guys. It's got everything here. You can do this for the entire month, this month's forecast, and last month. Okay, so you can also see what you've been reimbursed from Amazon there, the warehouse damage, FBA disposal fee, etc., etc. So really good thing to have here. You can also click the charts up here, and what we can do is look at the units sold, the advertising cost, the refunds, the net profit, depending on how you want to view this, guys. You can view it by period, you can view it by month, you can view it by day. And you can actually have a look down here. Once again, it's broken down once again here, as you can see, and you can look at it also in the chart form. You can also see a profit and loss here, guys, in December, November, October, September. It shows you a full profit and loss analysis dependent on the information that you've entered into Sellerboard, which is exactly what I'm going to go through later on. You can also click on the trends up here, so it tells you the trends for each product. December, November, October, September. It tells you what sort of percentage you're increased or decreased, and this is quite good to have when you're planning, when you're planning for different times of the year, what sort of stock that you want to show. The next thing that we can go is go back to the dashboard here, and we can actually look at the products down here. So not only does it show us the total products with a breakdown on every single bar there, but if we have a look at yesterday, for example, this is now going to show us down here, if we scroll down here, exactly what products have sold, the amount of products that have sold, the refunds, which we can hover over there and have a little look, the sales here, the ads and all this kind of good stuff, the margin, the ROI, and then we can also click on more over here and actually have a look at the advertising costs, these are the Amazon fees, and all of this good stuff here. You can also do this for every single product here, guys. You click on the more there, you can look at the promotion, you can look at the advertising cost to get that sale, the refunds you've had. The refunds are going to come directly off this total fee here. So there's no hidden costs. It takes the cost of goods off down there, all of the good stuff that you need to see there, guys. Really interesting. You can also look at the order items here, guys. So what products have you ordered? Okay, so it tells you exactly what products have been ordered. So this one here shows you the products, the total products. This shows you the ordered items exactly here, guys. Okay, with an exact breakdown. Once again, if we go over and click on more, it shows us what marketplace it's in. It shows us the shipped item or not, if you're doing MF, for example. So it's a pretty good thing to have as well. Guys, make sure you also log in here, go to my link below and get the 2-month free trial. If you click the link below that I've got, you can get a whole 2 months free of Sellerboard. So you can try it out, no credit card required, and obviously put all your data in here and also get a good understanding how this stuff works. Next thing we're going to do, guys, is click the PPC here. So PPC is obviously extremely important. It can cost a lot of money on Amazon. The way that you can track it on Sellerboard is by clicking the PPC tab there and click once again, just like we had in the dashboard up there. In the chart form, you can do the same with PPC. So it's giving you a good breakdown here, how many orders you've had, the Amazon fees associated with it, and it gives you a good idea of the exact money that you're spending, the ad spend on every single product. So it's a really good thing to have there, guys. Then we're going to head over to the products here, guys. Okay, so we're going to head over to the products. And let's look on the products at individual products here, guys. So what you're going to do is head over to the products here, look at the cost of goods on each item. So when you're adding products to Amazon, it's also going to show, the products are also going to show up here. Once you've added the products, you can hit the ASIN in there or the title to find the product, and you or your team member, your VA, is going to have to add the cost of goods for each product. You can add them by period or by batch, okay? Which means that, let's say, for example, you've been buying one product for £10 for the last 5 months, but in the last month it went up to £11. Obviously, you don't want to go changing that cost of goods as a bulk for every single one, because then it's going to give you the wrong profit data for the last 6 months. What you want to do is be able to add it by period or by batch for that specific, for the reordering that you've just done. And you can do that. You could put £11 cost of goods just for the last order, and you can leave your previous cost of goods the exact same price. So that's a really good thing to have there, guys. Next thing we're going to do is go to the expenses, guys. So with the expenses here, you can add every single expense, and you can decide what date you want that expense to go out here, guys. So let's say, for example, the warehouse here, we got $320. Is it for all marketplaces? Because you can connect your different marketplaces to this as well, guys. And also you can add the actions here. So delete this expense, edit, delete and follow expense from series. And you can add all of your costs here so that whenever they go out on your direct debit, you can get them to go out on here, and that will reflect in your dashboard's profit, guys. You can also click on reports, which we're not going to do now, and you can get all of the reports for your Sellerboard account if your accountant wants them. Don't forget up here the notifications as well, guys. So you can FBA fee change notifications can pop up here. The main image. You can have a look at different stuff here. Another FBA fee change there. You can see if the main image changes, it will show you up here as well. So these notifications can also get sent to your email, guys, which is really cool. One of my other favorite things on here is the inventory section on Sellerboard. One of my favorite parts, it shows you the total cost of goods. So that's how much your business is actually worth, the stock value. Shows you the potential sales here, and most importantly, the potential profit. Not most importantly, the most interestingly, the most importantly is this cost of goods there. And it actually shows you the sent to FBA, the FBM current stock, the reserved stock, and the ordered stock from your customers. Gives you a full breakdown. The only thing it doesn't show is the inbound cost of goods to your prep center, okay? Although you can actually do that because you can add them here. You can do the purchase orders here. You can add the total cost, add the units, and then you can track them on here. So then it actually shows you your total ordered amount and shipped amount, so you can track every single tiny bit of money that you've spent on your business at any one time by clicking this tab and the planner tab, which is pretty cool. Another thing here it shows you is the FBA shipments. So rather than going manually through your FBA portal and having a look, you can actually see what percentage your shipments are delivered, what issues they've got, okay, and how many products in total have been delivered. You can see the status there, whether it's receiving or not. You can see the date in which it's sent, and you can just have a really good overview, a really good snapshot, and add comments here to figure out exactly what's going on with your stock here, guys. The final thing we're going to look at down here, guys, which is where Sellerboard actually pays for itself. So I haven't really paid for Sellerboard for a long time, and the reason for that is because the estimated reimbursements here that it shows you, you can actually claim back from Amazon. So every single week you can log on to here, or you can get your virtual assistants to do it, which mine do as well. They log on to here and they click the lost and damaged, and they download this report, contact seller support with this template, and then we simply send that to Amazon and they refund us all the money that we're owed. So any lost and damaged items you've got, if Sellerboard monitors that and you send them Seller Central the report, in most cases they should refund you that item, that money. Same with returns, shows you the estimated value, okay, and same with FBA fee changes. You download the reports, send them to Amazon, and you will get reimbursed, refunded from Amazon. So it kind of pays for itself, guys. As I say, I've been using Sellerboard for many, many years now. I would 100% recommend it. As I say, complete no-brainer to get the 2-month free trial below from my link. and I will see you all in the next video. If there's any software that you want me to review or do a tutorial, let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to add it to my list. See you all soon, guys.